What we're doing, they build an addition mother-in-law suite. The guys, what they're doing here is putting in a plumber's tank that's going to pump it over to the septic system. All right, once it leaves the solids tank, it'll enter over here into they had an existing 1,050 gallon septic tank, concrete. We removed the baffle. We put a 540 in series to give them the appropriate gallons that they needed. And then we also have the 335 gallon lift concrete tank that'll serve 750 square feet of new drain field that we're doing for the addition and also the home. And that's what Jacob's doing now, is he's hooking up the septic tank from the series tank into the dosing tank. And then from there it'll pump out. The existing drain field is currently here, which you can see the raised mound. This is a mounded system, but the next phase of this we'll be ripping out all the old and installing a new 750, because this is a modification, so they added to the home.